in this video, you are going to learn about quantum numbers, particularly how that relates to the shape of the probability of finding the electron. In other words, what would be the shape of the orbital? Over here, you can see this is a plot of the shape. It's from complicated calculation. It's different from the board model. So let's look at this one. This one, the one that you see on the left here, is 1s orbital. 1s. So 1s, it looks like this. And 2s orbital, you can see, is not like a continuous radius. In certain radius, you do not see anything. Here's the node, a node. Okay, that means you can find electron within this radius. You can find a lot from here, but you cannot find it from here. Okay, so I'm going to draw it again. It will look like this. The question is, how can that be? Okay, well, that is still mysterious. So what happened is, if you stay over here, let's say for the 1s, it was over here like this. That's the 1s, okay? That means if you stay over here in this region, you can find the 1s electron, or you can find the 2s electron, or you can find the 3s electron. The 3s one will go like this, okay? And the mysterious part is, how can it, over here, I'm going to draw it again. Okay, so how can the electron come from over here, from this radius to over here? The same electron, but the probability over here is exactly 0. According to the calculation, that part is mysterious. But at least we know that how the shape will look like. It looks like a spherical shape. Within certain radius, you can find the electron. And over here, the vertical axis is the probability. Probability of finding an electron. Okay. All right, so that is about the s orbital. So what about the p orbital, the d orbital, and the f orbital? So the p orbital, it looked like this. Okay, that means, I'm going to write that again. That means the p orbital, if this is the nucleus over here, all right, so if the electron is, for example, let's say this is 2s, this is 2p, and if you have one electron in the 2p orbital, that means you can find an electron somewhere within here, okay? So over here, you cannot find it anywhere else, okay? You cannot find it anywhere over here. If you have another electron, then yes, the other electron will be over here. So you can see there's another electron that is going like this somewhere, okay? We don't know how it goes, but the probability of finding an electron is just in these two loops here. Or finding the first electron will be just over here, okay? Yes, it looked weird. So what is this used for? Later on, when we talk about bonding and also hybridization of orbitals, then this one is useful.